Hello, this is Team Forge and I'm presenting the final prototype of our project. So this is the overview of the features we have successfully implemented on our website to address various problems faced by Indian students. So the user can upload a note, get a summary, summarize a YouTube video and generate adaptive quizzes based on them. And using DNA profiling, we give tags to the users, making the services that we are providing many times personalized. And the constellation graph is also there, which is a structured graph of topics. And we have also implemented voice accessibility and confusion heat maps for identifying potentially confusing reasons. And most importantly, our website has a locally trained stress model to predict a stress score of students over time and identify signs of burnout at the right time. And moving ahead to the homepage of our website, we have intentionally removed login and authentication as instructed. This is the button to create an explanation solely based on user prompt without having to upload a file, and this is where the user can upload his handwritten notes after choosing a subject from here. We have made available the PDF format uploading as well, which is an addition to the previous prototype we submitted. And after adding a custom prompt here, like I'm adding to include all the formulas and choosing a default language, the sanity check of our website begins, which checks for any illegal document present in the uploaded notes here using Azure Content Safety. Only after the successful check, the explanation generation begins, and the structured explanation is shown like this, where for each topic, definition and other categories are given here along with Wikipedia link. And from here the language can be changed. We have also added a Hindi plus English hybrid language used most commonly by Indian students. And here at the last we are getting the list of formulas that we asked for in our custom prompt, and this is the second chatbot. The first one was at the home page. It is context aware as shown by the result of this prompt. After this, we have listen section here, which creates audio in the selected language, which is very important for differently able students and for any student with just like audio over text. And then we have quiz section, in which customizable adaptive quizzes can be generated with customizable number of questions and difficulty level. Also, manual prompt can be added here as we added before. After generation, the quiz looks like this, and after attempting all the questions, the user will be prompted to a summary page where the result of the quiz will be shown in detail. And this third chatbot right here is aware of the context of the entire quiz data and can answer a question like explain my mistakes. And from this summary page, we are giving multiple data as feature to the stress model as is shown here in the overlay. Finally, we have a heat map section for heat maps generated for this note, showing the areas in which our Azure vision struggled. The areas are shown as red here. These reasons likely represents reasons for confusion. And then we have this sticky note section, in which a sticky note can be added at any desired location to store any additional information that the user gained. Moving on, the notes section here stores all the notes uploaded till date in a subject and time structured way, and the same storage is done for heat maps under this section. Then we have constellation section for viewing the stored topic graphs and generating new ones, either using a text prompt having a list of topics or by uploading a syllabus image directly from school's website or web. And after clicking on generate, the topic graph will be generated in a very structured way, where the prerequisite node will always come before the post-requisite node on the left side. And the meaning of color for each node is mentioned here, and the list of topics are here. For orange nodes, the user can trace back to the uploaded note related to it, and for blue, or we say it unvisited nodes, we can generate new prompt-based explanation without file upload. The subject, the language and custom prompt can be added here, and this feature is actually a specialized use of this button on the home page that I have already shown. Moving to the video summary section, the user can paste any YouTube video link here and get a summary of the video as shown here. The key takeaways, the main summary and key points are mentioned here in a structured way, and we are also giving related video links, and finally a quiz generation function. Moving on to the wellness section, the user can see the stress score predicted using 34 features listed in the overlay and also elaborated in the PPT provided by us. Currently we are having 39 stress score, and below is the advice generated according to the entire feature vector, not just the final score. And this is the plot of the stress score over time. And in this final section, we can see the most influencing features and some of the values of some of those features. I will now quickly show the real-time updation of the stress score. Here I am giving a really stressful query to the first chatbot, and after its calming response, we can see that the stress score have actually risen as the chatbot has detected a high stress. And similarly, by changing the date of the examination and making the days left to exam more, we can see that the stress score have relaxed. So now this is the study DNA section in which our locally trained DNA learns multiple aggregate level features not daily wise of the user and gives him a tag. Like we can see total study time here, and the tag shown here is the consistent scholar given to me, and in the breakdown tab we can see the confidence score of our model for other tags as well. As shown here, I've got the confidence scholar, but I'm very close to the hustler as well. And in this final tab we can see the advices for improvements. Finally, we have a quiz history section in which for each subject we can see the history of the attempted quiz and re-attempt from here as well.